Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. So I wanted to do a video today, but I don't have a lot of time. I'm kind of on a tight schedule, and so I thought I'd do a short video. And I thought, what can I do it on? I know a lot of you like the weird, odd roadside attractions that I find, and I thought, what could I do it on? And then this thing popped up. What the heck is that? It just popped up. Well, actually, it didn't just pop up. It's been out here for some 44 years. So, I am on I-80 westbound in the Utah desert. I'm actually crossing the Salt Flats. I'm about 80 miles, well, Salt Lake City is about 80 miles east. And I'm about 25 minutes from the Nevada border in Wendover. I'm at exit, well, 25, 26, something like that. And yeah, there's this thing. So I'm out in the middle of the Salt Flats. There's my truck. Utah desert, Salt Flats, mountains all around, as far as you can see. And then there's this. So, I have seen this for many years, well, my whole trucking career. Whenever I go out west to California and I take I-80, I've seen this thing. This thing. It's a big pole, big tower out in the middle of the desert with these balls on it. What the heck is it, and what does it mean? And then there's a couple of like broken pieces on the ground. There's one there, there's one over there. I always thought that they had fallen and broken off. Well, I guess that's not the whole story. So, what this is, and you can look this up on Google or Roadside America, it's called Metaphor, the Tree of Utah. And what was the name again? Carl Moman, I think. He is a European artist. He built this thing in 1980. Why? I have no idea. And what is the metaphor of it? I don't really know. Something about honoring the universe or something. I don't know. It's just weird. I mean, you're driving west, and then all of a sudden you see it in the distance. There's nothing else out here but desert and salt. And then there's this thing. Yeah. And the weird thing is, it's supposed to be some kind of monument or something, but there's never really been a good, clear, designated parking area. I mean, the speed limit is, what, 70, 80 miles an hour on I-80 here. It's not really a good place to pull over and park. As a matter of fact, for many years, they had no parking signs, emergency stopping only. And they took those signs down because people always stop here and take pictures and make videos. Like me. And now it's kind of cleared out here where looks like you can park here, but it's still not a designated parking area. You would think it would be if it's some kind of monument, a work of art, so to speak. But it's not the best place to stop, really. I'm on the shoulder, pulled over. Cars could pull in here. I mean, it's kind of almost a parking area now, but it's basically just a desert. But yeah, it's really weird. And now there's a fence around it. I remember years ago there wasn't a fence. But now there's a fence, and with razor wire on the top. Wait, are you kidding me? And now there's actually, the gate's actually open so you can go in there. I'm not going to go in there. I just feel weird about going in here. Oh, there's actually, oh, look it, there's actually a sign up there. Can I see it? Can I zoom in without going in here? Where am I here? Anywho, yeah, there is that. And look at this now. We got all kinds of junk on here. I mean, there's padlocks and flags and beer cans and pop cans and ratchet straps, and there's a wrench, and there's little doll clothes and weird doodads and all kinds of stuff here. Look at all this stuff. CDs, hats and gloves. Just all kinds of stuff. I don't know what that is. Somebody's underwear. Oh no, why? Why? I don't understand. You know, I have a padlock in the truck. I should go get it and put it on here. Or at least put one of my Marty's Rambling stickers on here. Should I? Yeah, look at, there's all kinds of stickers. I'm gonna do that. I think I need to leave my mark here. What is all... Seriously, I didn't even realize all this from the road. I'm glad I got closer. All the memorabilia, I don't know, all this stuff on here. Probably better than the actual attraction. Good night. Just strange. Yeah, and look at these. Supposedly these are supposed to be like leaves. And there's graffiti on them, which is sad. Huh. Well, anyway, yeah, so this is, yeah, metaphor. The tree of Utah. And, yeah, I don't know. There's bugs. I don't know what the metaphor of this is. I just don't know. Y'all. But I know y'all like when I do weird things on the road, weird roadside attractions, and so I just thought I'd show you this thing out in the middle of the Utah desert. I'm gonna mosey on here, but yeah, I just hope you enjoyed this. Please give it a like if you liked it, and please comment. I want to hear your thoughts if you have any more information on it. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you like my silly videos. I got a lot more videos coming up. I got a lot of really good ideas, woodworking, outdoor stuff, music stuff, silly stuff, and you just never know what I'll see on the road. But I'm gonna get back to my truck and roll on. And yeah, anywho, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Good night. A little crooked and wrinkly, but there. I've left my mark. If I don't do anything else in this life, I've left my mark. On the metaphor, the tree of Utah. Good night.